Hey yo, look like I'm going for a swim. Dunked on him, now I'm swinging off the rim. Bitch ain't coming off the bench while I'm coming off the...
What is up, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. This week I am doing a review. This is gonna be the first review on my channel, so get excited, grab something to eat, and let's go check it out. Okay guys, so I am back today with the new Patrick Starrr. So this is the Patrick Starrr X MAC. So this is the second collection that Patrick Starrr has done with MAC. They had one that was Me So Fleek. I picked up Me So Chic only because I didn't really like the duo lipstick that they had. It wasn't a duo, but the lip gloss and lipstick that they had to go with it, I wasn't really feeling it at all. So I decided to go for the Me So Chic. So this is the first time I'm going to be opening this package today. I was going to open it yesterday, but it had like a bunch of stuff and I was like, no, I'm gonna wait for you guys to see. So has some paper, and then one of the first things that comes is the face chart. I think I'm actually gonna maybe follow the face chart today, maybe. So this is the second thing that I pull out. It's like wrapped in tissue paper. Extra. Oh, it's so pretty, guys. Oh my god. So this is the lipstick. This is the lip gloss. This packaging is so pretty, to be honest. I'm loving it so far. And this is the second. This feels like the eyeshadow. And I was right. Okay, I'm not gonna lie, the colors from the other one, the eyeshadow palette, I was digging. I was really loving that pink color that they had and everything, but I couldn't deal with the lipstick. I just couldn't. And then the last one is this right here. So this is going to be a powder duo. It looks more like a powder bronzer, blush, not a powder, of course it's powder, but this is a blush duo. It looks more like a blush and bronzer duo. So today for this video, I'm going to be trying out all of this new makeup. I also did pick up a highlighter, so I'm going to be trying out this new highlighter as well. I already did do my eyebrows, my foundation, highlight. I did a little bit of contour. I did everything except for everything that I'm going to be putting on and maybe setting spray. So I didn't do my lips, didn't do my eyeshadow, didn't do my... I didn't do blush. I did a little bit of contour, but I didn't do blush and I didn't do highlight. So that is where these will come into play. The first thing that I'm going to go into is this eyeshadow palette. For the first eyeshadow, I guess I'm going to use this pretty purple pinky color as my transition. Actually, let me scoot you guys in so you can see that. Hello? How you doing? Like being this close? I'm really loving this color so far. Like, it's not too powerful. It is pigmented, but it's not like pigmented to where I touch it and it's too much, and it's blending so good, but I'm loving the colors. If you look right here in the corner, right here, it almost looks as if it's black, but it looks like they have it a little bit blue just to smoke it out a little bit. So that's what I'm gonna do. So I'm gonna take this darker color, that one, and I'm just pressing it on the outer corner of my eye. I'm really liking how it's kind of looking, so I'm gonna keep doing that, and I'm gonna use both of these colors right here. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to place this light color on my eyelid, and then I'm gonna go and blend out the darker colors just a little bit. Okay, I want to darken it just a little bit. This is kind of the first time I've tried this little technique, but I'm like looking at myself in the camera and I'm like, damn, it looks good. So I'm gonna pop some eyeliner on real quick and then I'll be back to do the rest. Okay, so I also applied my eyelashes and my mascara because I really want to keep this video just mainly about the products at hand. So what we're going to do next is we're going to go in for the blush duo. And this is what the blush duo looks like. If I can get it open. It is super, super gorgeous. Like, these colors are just so pretty. And I told you I did apply some bronzer, so. Oh, but this one is very orangey. I'm not going to put too much of that on, because then I'll just look crazy. So I'm going to go in for this blush, that pretty blush color. Hey, me so chic. I am in love. I am in love with this. Okay. Now, for the last thing in the package, we have the lipstick and lip gloss. I usually use liquid lipstick because I like how I can apply it really good on the outer corners of my lips. So this is going to be a little bit of a challenge, but it's a new lipstick tube, so it shouldn't be too big of a challenge. So let's go in for this. This color, by the way, is called Sweet Mama Starr. Yes. And then also, okay, so the lip gloss is called Mama Starr Kiss. Y'all should make that just a little bit bigger. Okay, let's go in for this lipstick though. Okay, first impression on the lipstick is it's very pink. I was expecting a really nude color, but obviously, I mean, you can tell it has really, I mean, this looks very nude, but then when it's like applied, it looks really like dirty pink, I feel like. So not too happy with that, but it still is cute. And then we're gonna apply this on top of it, the Mama Starr. Basically what this does all really is just makes it go from a matte lipstick to a glossy lipstick. So the last step that we do have is to apply our highlighter, because we can't forget about that. Looks like this. It has that goldish tone to it, but it also does have that light tone, so that is why I was like, okay, fuck it, I'll just try it out. But let's just go in with this with a fan brush. It's definitely something that you have to build onto, and it's not just gonna show bright at first, because I am sitting here going like that. So okay, so that completes my little what you call it, what do we call this, come on, I know the word, that goes, oh, review, there you go. So that's it for my review for today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and as usual, if you want to see more, hit that subscribe button, and until next time.